So guys, if I have recorded that guy just almost hit a sudden brake. So guys, we are going to meet few of my friends and his friends who own a nice bikes. So I'm gonna meet Milberg today. So let's see how it goes. We are going to go to first Powai is our meetup point, then we'll go to Chembur. Let's see how the ride goes. अक्कल नहीं रही. When you know you can clear it, definitely go for it. So because I consider most of the time left side or in between, not facing any tail wobbling issue which I have used to face. This is fun, man. Just listen to the exhaust noise. Power braking and alertness. This all on highway is very important. I didn't have an option, that's why I took that cut. But always stay alert while you're taking such kind of steep cuts. 17 minutes. I might reach on time. Timing was good. I just missed the signal, or else I had to wait in that signal for quite a bit of a time. How? That bumps, man, just hurt our asses. It's like clean patches, bumps, clean patches, bumps. That's how the Indian road goes. Can't do a thing. But expressway, except Eastern Expressway, if you are going outside Mumbai, there are quite pretty good road. Especially if you go to Pune side by Pimpri Chinchwad, that road is also good. And Goa, man, Goa NH 60, I think so. I don't remember the NH highway number, but as per my recall knowledge, and if I recall, it's 60 or 66. Please do check that highway. So it's like 3 hours of smooth highway. And Bangalore road are superb, and their highway are like buttery smooth, no potholes, nothing like that. And their highway also has a design. If you are leaving one highway and getting on another highway, you will definitely see cops with radar machine there, and you will have definitely a nice fine. That's a side effect of having good roads. But you can easily go 150, 160 on that road. Even you can go more speed on that roads, because I have ridden my GT there, and those roads are damn smooth. And Pondicherry, Ooty, Aha, those roads are like, I love those side roads. They are so awesome. Man, there's too much traffic. Ooh. Leaning need a sudden stop due to traffic. Oh, signal. How can I forget? There is signal here also, which I think I have first time stopped on this signal, because I have never seen this signal in my lifetime to be stopped on this. So how far? 12 minutes out. I love such pulls. Uh-oh. Need to stop, need to stop. Man, those exhaust is like smoky. So we are gonna wait 40 seconds on the road. अरे काय चिटको दे तू तो दिसत नाही का तू आहे ते ह्याच्यासाठीच लावतो ह्याच्यासाठीच कॅमेरा लावलाय शिस्ती चालते चिटको दे guys, see, I'm just stopped at the signal and that rickshaw just touched my bike. I hate such people. Small things that happen on in Mumbai or anywhere now currently in Powai. So it just dashed me. So if he would be in speed and he would dash me, that would be a major disbalance of me as I'm standing. That's why, man, I hate scratches on my GT. I literally hate them. If he had touched my exhaust now, I would have damn get off my bike and I would have pissed him off. And see, the thing you love, if you love your bike, you will hate anyone who touches your bike, or even a small scratch on your bike will hurt you pretty badly. So these are some small things. The reason that I remove my stock exhaust was only this reason, because they are too outwards and they are too long. That's why no one can get the judgment of your vehicle. Only you can get. Still anyone can dash you from backside, left or right, any side. That's why I hate stock exhaust. If the same exhaust would have given my GT in smaller size, now I would have kept that also, because the exhaust should, as per me, should be inside the tire length. That's what I consider to be a good exhaust. Six minutes to the destination. Be safe. Just safe. I don't know what the bro has to go where. Getting in our lane. Traffic. So I got the call from the boys. Hello, 2 मिनट पवई में हूँ और यहाँ ट्रैफिक है मजबूत. हाँ आया टे. ऐसा पेलता था ना अभी इसको है. पता है he know he can't go, still is trying to proceed. चलो भाई लोग, let's go guys, fast. Yep, the moment I reach there it will be red. If that was a daytime or after, I would have definitely crossed it. Now let's see if we are able to cross or not. Mostly I will say 40-50 that will cross. I think we'll cross. Oh, we'll cross. Of course, it's 115 seconds. Anybody can cross. It's like 100% definition of cross. Oh, this is a bad thing. I didn't even see that divider. I would have just went up on it. Listening songs and driving is pretty. I just keep my volume around 20 to 30% so I can listen the surrounding. Full volume, never a good option. "74 seconds. Please just turn U-turn so I can take it. Doesn't turn on. Still, I'm gonna take the U-turn. Man, that dude was crazy. That's a differential leveling up and down. So I should see my friend somewhere here. चले चले हेलो रोहन रोहन
Hi, Rohan.
Rohan.
We met in Bandra.
Yeah. Long back. You are okay? Hello. Chale, let's leave.
Arman, Krishna.
I got everybody's name. How are you?
All good. Chalo.
Sure.
Location?
Yeah. You have given me na Chembur na. Share kar. Send me on WhatsApp. So guys, this is the lineup. So guys, let's leave. So we have new destination. Let's roll. So we have KDM, we have GD650, and we have few other bikes which. So guys, always maintain safe distance while riding with each other. See, and the scooty dude is like next level. खेलेगा हम लोग साथ रफ्ता रफ्ता. Quite not that far. 30 minutes is fine. So there are three ways to proceed. So I don't prefer using hazard lights on such a road. They are meant for fog destination. So this lane is pretty good, except the potholes. hate the border. So we have a Apache, definitely 310R. There is the GT. The GT might be behind us. So this is gonna be a great ride. Pretty bad thing. It's just drizzle, but too much dust with it. So either we reach our destination pretty fast, so we are just safe from the rain. I think the option is to reach the destination fast and be saved from the rain. Yo boy. Pretty wrong time to ride. Raining now. Enjoy the rainy weather. Of pretty wrong timing of rain in Mumbai. Ah, fuck bitch, fuck. Let's go. Everything is gonna behave weirdly now as it's raining. Better reach the spot as soon as possible. Yeah, our phone is getting fogged, that's for sure. For God's sake, please stop. Just bear for a few minutes, my baby. I'm gonna turn everything off soon. I told someone it's gonna rain.
Sorry.
I told you. I warned him. I gave you a special warning.
ये लोग अंदर भी है।
अबे ये तो नहल लिया पूरा।
फोन को कुछ नहीं होएगा।
नहीं होएगा, आईफोन है। अंदर चल, अंदर चल। मैं कितना गंदा हुआ ये बता।
भाई ये देखो।
तू तो छोड़ ही दे। वाइट पहनने के साइड इफेक्ट्स। भाई वो छोड़, एक कैरी बैग लूंगा पहले, सब डालूंगा। गोप्रो तो भाई वाटर प्रूफ भी सेटअप नहीं है। नहीं, मैंने मीडिया मोड लगाया।
Drops of roof.
अभी तू
Drops of Mumbai rain.
रुक आगे भी बोलता था।
बोलना बोलना।
तेरे वजह से बारिश है, तेरे वजह से भीगे हम लोग। वार्निंग देने का आदमी तो ही है वो। अच्छी खासी चमकी हुई पॉलिश की बाइक की हाँ बहन हो गई यार।
bikes are nice bikes.
I am currently in Chembur, or we had some faluda and some sweet dishes, and we are heading home. So it rained a lot, and I'm all wet. Before the rain there was a dust storm which was pretty bad, which just literally blinded us. Still we kept on riding so we could reach the destination. There was no point in standing anywhere as there was no roof on us that will protect us from the rain. So now the rain is stopped, so I'm heading back home so I can reach on time. Hey Baba. So guys, let's go home. Man, the weather is pretty chilly now. And I told my friend it was gonna rain. Still, we had fun. It was a good fun. Some decisions are meant to be taken but not taken. You know it's gonna rain still, but your friends are coming. No, you have to enjoy. These are like few feedbacks. And it might rain, it might not rain. Another thing is that. So guys, the weather is cold. If I could tell you the temperature, might be around 25 or 28. That's pretty cold for Mumbai. There is smell of what you say, matti. It means for you guys mud. The smell of mud and the rain smell which you feel when it rains after a very long time. This dude is like crazy. Yo man, that dude was crazy. So guys, if you're using stock tire on GT in rain, you have to be pretty careful while riding, so that, see, those tires are not at all good for rain. I have used them in rain. If you are in pretty fast and you try to apply brake, you will definitely skid from the road. It won't grip the road properly. So that is the side effect of those tires. And the weather is good. Well, it stopped now, so I'm feeling good. If it would have been rain, I would be pissed off. See, if you're wearing all the riding gear and raincoat, then it's fine. You're prepared for it. Well, like, you're unprepared and you all get soaked. Who hates rain? They will definitely hate it. First thing tomorrow I'm gonna do is get my bike cleaned. First, now only I will clean it with water and clean the dust and mud from the engine, so it doesn't leave stain marks. The only thing I hate is stain marks. Man, this is a hell of a traffic. That's why I love late night rides. It's like around 12 o'clock or later on. That are the best timing to be on Mumbai road. Even if I have to take this highway, its traffic is constant. Can't do anything. The ride is going anywhere. It's going haywire as it flows. So right until right there, I won't take this risk. I hate it, but I have to do it anyway. So see guys, this is the advantage if you own a bike, any bike. You can go for tiny small spaces and you almost clear 70% of the traffic. As you can see, I was way back and I'm way ahead now. Advantages of bikes are definitely always in traffic. And I think either he has dashed someone else or else this is something else. Yep, there is an accident here. What the heck just happened? So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So guys, if you have enjoyed the vlog, do like, share and subscribe to the channel Spark of Pistons. And this is your host Rohan Sunavne signing off.